Hey guys, this is Techno and today I'm going to show you how to make your text, icon and the display quality of your Note 9 or any Samsung device in general more sharper. Then all you gotta do is to follow this video. So the first step is to go to the settings, click on display, and then you should find screen resolution. Now you have your setting most likely in 1080p. So what you have to do is to max it out to 1440p. And that should make your text more sharper, your display, as well as when taking photos or whatnot, even when you're watching movies. Now the second step is to go to font and screen, and then from here you can just play around with the text size, make it small, just make more space available on your display, and then you have the text size, you can make it smaller. Now you can even pick the font style which you want, otherwise you can download it online. Anyways guys, that's basically it, and you can see right now it looks much sharper and better in looking. So even when you open up your device, it should look great. Anyways guys, that's basically it. If you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next, and peace out.